at this material, guys. Look at this here. Hey guys, welcome to another boxing here and assembly. Today's video we're gonna unbox the gliding bench. It's made out of HDPE, high density polyethylene material. The reason I went with Polywood is it's a lot less maintenance. You don't have to worry about painting, crackling, and it just withstands weather, sun fading, everything. You gotta be careful out there. It is different type of Polywood. HPIS is another one. It's a little bit cheaper and it doesn't withstand in the sun fading and crackling as good as HDPE. But yeah, let's get this started. Open it, unbox it here for you guys. Now this is 73 pounds. It's pretty heavy, and also you gotta be careful is you gotta have 2 people with it, and it can hold up to 800 pounds, so about 3 people. 3 people can sit on it at once, and maybe 4 if you have kids. 2 kids, 2 parents. But yeah, we decided to go with this year. We wanted something from in front of the porch because last year we added pergola, and that's facing east. The sun comes up in the east, so in the morning the sun hits the pergola. So we want some up front here because it's south, west, less sun in the morning. We have a fine bench to sit up front to have coffee. So that's the reason why we decided to get a bench. We thought about getting rocking chairs, but we figured our family here because of we can sit up front. That's the reason why we go. Now let's look at this here. This is again HDPE Polywood. In the past we use aluminum, steel, and just all kind of material, and we're just tired kind of maintenance it. And even with aluminum steel, you have to wax it to prevent it from fading and all that stuff. So every year, just like the pergola, we have to wax the whole pergola to prevent it from fading. But look at this material, guys. Look at this here. Again, this is poly HDPE. You just feel there, it's heavy of course, but look how firm it is. And it's look, the back came pre-assembled, so don't look like you have much assembly. Instruction says about half an hour. It takes about half an hour to assemble it. So look here. So everything came really nice and wrapped. And I got this on Amazon. There's a link below if you guys are interested for further review. And they're, of course, cheaper to purchase on Amazon than local box. So if we review, we went to Costco, we went to Sam's Club. They're all a little bit more expensive there. Let's see here, look at this material, guys. So this is, of course, and looks like the end piece, bottom piece. This here. But again, it's nice to have gliding. They say that it's helps relieve stress when you use rocking chairs and gliding chairs. We thought about using rocking chairs, but with our front patio, it's not large enough to hold 2 rocking chairs, so we decided to go with this bench, gliding bench. This back, guys, look at this. Wow. Again, this is very nice. Came from simple. Look at this. Oh, smell the new plastic, polywood plastic. Looks like the seat. So there's not much assembly that came with it. I mean, you're gonna require to assemble here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And they have, of course, different colors. Different colors that you want to decide really great. The matches are pergola in the back, pergola furniture in the back. So that if you really need to move in the back, you can move in the back and it matches. So let's enjoy, guys. I'm gonna do a time lapse for you guys to watch and enjoy, sit back and enjoy and watch the assembly video. Okay. And after I'm done, I can walk you guys through, see how it performs and everything. So enjoy, guys. Hey guys, so I got just a little interlude here. So far, the assembly is actually pretty easy. The bolts all lined up. The holes, there's some that's not drill, but once you get it started with a drill, it's actually you can start trying it really easy. But yeah, it's just, the instruction is pretty self-explanatory. It's not very confusing. So other than that, it's pretty stable. Looks like this one, yeah, you can feel it's again 800 pounds. So, but yeah, I just want to do a quick interlude, telling you guys that the assembly is not too bad. It's easy. So I'm gonna finish up here, put the back and the bottom, and then we'll test it out. Assembled, and let's test it out. I like how it goes up a little bit, so it's actually really relaxing. And look at this, it's very stable too. So as for the assembly, I had to actually drill one hole. It was off. It was this one over here. Other than that, every hole fit pretty good. You didn't have to drill it or anything. The quality of this is very, very nice. You can tell it's not gonna crack or need paint over the years. Oh yeah, it's again, this rocking helps with they say it helps with dementia, stress and everything, because you're constantly moving and using your motor skills. But yeah, I do recommend it, guys. It's a very nice chair. Assembly wasn't too bad. And look at this, you can even sit sideways. I'm 5'11", and it fit me pretty comfortable. Now, if you're a little bit taller, yeah, it might be a little bit short. But yeah, you can fit 2 adults comfortably, and then 3, a child and 2 adults in between. So yeah, recommend it, guys. A little bit expensive on the high price side, but it's well worth investment. Again, you don't have to paint it. You have to do a lot of maintenance to it. It's gonna last through the years. It's HDPE, high density polyethylene material. So, but yeah, other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Until next unboxing, take care. Bye now. So I just want to do a quick walkthrough here, guys. Here, you see the brackets are really thick, about 1.5 inches. These brackets are they're not rust free, so I recommend greasing them. Also put lithium grease on, that should help slow down the rusting process. The bolts, again, you can always spray a little lithium grease to kind of cover it up. The support's really good support. These are kind of thin. You can tell they sink a little bit when you sit down on them. Back here, they add a aluminum back support, so you don't have to worry about flipping it over or bending it. I like how it, you see how it goes when you push back. It actually goes up height wise, so it gives it a little bit actually a feel of rocking. So that's nice. You can see how it's going back and forth.